guys, I just wanted to do a quick review since it's Friday on probability and what you've learned this week. So the first thing I wanted to review was the vocabulary. You've learned about the words most likely or more likely, less likely, impossible, and certain. And I'm going to show you cases of that with the examples I'm going to show you. So if I have in a bag I have 4 different colors of dry erase markers. I have an equal amount of chance to pull each one of these if I pull one, because there's only one of each color. So I have these in here. I have a 1 out of 4 chance to pull a blue. Let's see what I pull. Brown. I had a 1 out of 4 chance of getting it. If I do it again, I think I'm going to pull, let's see, pink. Pull green. Still only had 1 out of 4 chance because there's 4 colors. Now if I added another couple blue, now I have 3 blue. Now I have a higher chance of, and a more likely chance of pulling a blue. And I did. That's because I added more. I had more blue than I had any other color. So you've done lots with pulling from bags on worksheets and on the websites. And another thing you can do is coin tossing. So here I have a quarter. Every quarter has 2 sides. That's total amount of possible outcomes, 2. So when you flip it, only one side is going to come up. And once you flip it, that means you have a 1 out of 2 chance of getting heads. You also have an equal chance of getting tails because there's only one of each. The other thing I wanted to review finally was the spinner. And here I have a spinner I put together. So if you take a look at the spinner, you can clearly see which color you have a more likely chance of spinning onto. You have a more likely chance of spinning a pink because half of this circle is pink. You have a least likely chance of getting a purple because it is the smallest piece and there's only one of them. So what would be the chances of spinning a yellow? It's impossible. Why? Because there's no yellow on here. So there's no way you could actually spin a yellow. Let's see. I think that's all the examples I wanted to go over before. You're going to now go ahead and do the exemplar that's on the next slide. And you get to do a draw it to answer your question. I hope you've enjoyed probability.